My name is Shane Bauer, and we are at Happy Space in downtown Duluth. I've been doing this my whole life. I'd say by fifth grade I was already that guy that everybody went to for hand lettering or a drawing on designing the high school sports logos, and had my own graphic design business by, I think it was my sophomore year in high school. We used to do custom greeting cards, and they were really fun, and we had a very positive reaction to those, but then when the economy tanked, those fell away really fast. People weren't going to spend that much on a greeting card anymore, so we needed something else, and we got into the apparel design. Crank out one new design a month. If we can get 12 good designs out in a year, I'm happy with that, because it's a lot to keep up with everything else we have going on. Once you make the file, it needs to be converted to all black to make a positive, which is a transparent sheet that you print the all black design on. Or if it's multicolors, each color needs to be separated into an all black file, and that's burned on a screen through a traditional photographic process with emulsion, and it makes a stencil by hardening the emulsion around the stencil, and then you spray it out just like the process has been for many years. You put it on the press, and you basically take a squeegee of the color you want across the screen. It pushes it through onto the shirt, and then you can flash it to cure it a little in between colors to put more colors on top, and you run it through a dryer. It's ready to go. As long as it's sustainable, meaning the textiles are made from bamboo, organic cotton, hemp or recycled material, or as long as it's made in the USA, we'll likely carry it. We'll still look at the company and what's behind it, but we feel like we're at least doing something then. But it's a constant trying to find the best option. For example, we found a company in South Carolina that uses a fair trade co-op in Haiti and one in Guatemala on their ladies' fit shirts, and they're all made from recycled materials. We won't even take an order anymore, a wholesale order even, for conventional cotton or shirts that aren't certified fair trade. They're all our designs, and we come up with messages that we know will apply to other organizations. We start with a core symbol, like the peace sign, and then we work it. I put together the whole design around that, and they usually take between 8 and 12 hours, depending on how elaborate they get. Well, the design is always the most fun for me as a designer, but then once the screens are done and the job is all set up, that first one that you actually print and seeing how that turns out is always the most fun.